All right. For this lesson, you are reading an informational text about some of the things that led to the American Revolution. While you're reading, you're going to underline key details, and then you're going to use that to help you figure out the main idea. So as a reminder, sorry, one second. There we go. So using key details to help you figure out the main or central ideas. Central idea is just another word for the main idea. So we can look at the title, the headings, the graphic features. So in this text, the title is The Road to Revolution, meaning like how they got to the American Revolution. There's a timeline, which is going to help you understand the text as well and help you understand what it is mostly about. So you're going to read and annotate. Annotate just means to underline and interact with them. So when I say underlining the details, that's that. Focus on things that are repeated. That's a good clue if you're not sure what to look for. Look for things that they say multiple times. And then you're really asking yourself, what is this text mostly about? Now remember, main idea is a sentence. It is a thought. The main idea is not the American Revolution. That's the topic. That's like, like the topic. I can't think of another word. It's what it's about, but it's not the main idea. Okay? The main idea for this has more to do with there were a lot of events that led to the American Revolution, or taxes being raised is one thing that led to the American Revolution. Not having a voice in the government made the colonists very frustrated. Tensions were rising and that led to the revolution. Okay, so those sentences telling me, this is what it is mostly about, that's what the main idea is. Okay, so you're underlining at least 3 key details, then you're telling me the main idea, and then you're also naming one event that led to the American Revolution. There are multiple listed in the text and on the timeline, so just pick one. Make sure that your writing stays on the page, not below, so that I can see it. And if you need help, I am more than happy to help. This is a harder informational text than many of the other ones we've read. So if you need help figuring out the main idea or understanding what it is telling you, I would love to help you. All right? Just remember, the main idea is not the American Revolution. It's what is the author telling me about that? What is it mostly about as far as like a full and complete sentence? All right, good luck.